Hey, what's up everybody? My name's John and I've been an Amazon seller for 4 years and an eBay seller for roughly 3, and I wanted to give you guys a step-by-step tutorial on how to pack and ship your items for Amazon FBM and eBay. This is a super cost-effective method that I've been using for a while now, and it uses simple materials that are easily obtained. You're going to want to get some cardboard paper that fits your product a little longer so you can make a packet here. You're going to want to close both sides with tape to start off. Then you grab your product and add it in. Should fit if you made the measurements correctly. Now we're going to cut a little longer on the top here so we can fold it down on itself and staple it together. A quick reminder is that this package will be shipped with a postal service like UPS or USPS directly to the customer's home address and not to a warehouse. I could have stapled the package all the way around, but I decided to leave tape at the end so that the customer is able to open the package a lot easier without having to remove staples. Alright, now we have our packet made, and we're gonna go ahead and put our company labels on it and the product barcode. Now that the packet is just about done, I wanted to talk about boxes and why I don't pay for them. This product occasionally does about 20 sales a day, and the box for it is about $2, so I do not want to pay $40 a day for boxes. So how do I get free boxes? One of the ways I get free cardboard for my business is I go out on recycle day within the neighborhood to see if anybody put big pieces of cardboard outside of their bins, and I check to see if they're clean and usable, and if they fit my length parameters, I'm using them for my products. I will be releasing a full rundown video on all the ways I save money on boxes, so make sure you're subscribed so you do not miss out. The pieces of cardboard I use are just cardboard color, no fancy crazy coloring on them, and make sure that they're the correct length so you're able to mold them to what you need them for. So here I'm doing the sandwich method, and I'm getting pieces ready that are long enough for my product to be able to do this. So first I'm lining up my package here. Give it a little extra on the tip right here so you have enough room for any drops or anything, because you are building a box right now. So make sure the width is good enough to put your label and cover your package very neatly. All I need here is the second piece, and then I will be sandwiching the product that I packaged just earlier in between these cardboard pieces that I just cut out right now. So you get the product right in between there, and you get ready with some tape to tape the ends up. Make sure the tape is long enough that it reaches around the back here. And simply just fold it over. Doesn't matter how it looks, I'll show you why later. Now we put tape on the other end, make sure it is long enough. Alright, now we're taped up, and it's time for the big band-aid and the star of this show, this black shrink wrap right here. I'll have a link in the description for this product. This has about 1,500 feet of self-adhesive shrink wrap here, and what we do is wrap it up here from the start once and then twice. And you're going to get the scissors here and cut this. And since it's only an 18-inch shrink wrap, I'm gonna have to put another one on the other side. Same thing. There's about 1,500 feet of this shrink wrap, so this stuff really feels like it never runs out. Whoa, almost annihilated the flowers there. Now you'll be needing a scale that shows the pounds and ounces so you can weigh the package. So we turn on here, make sure we're zeroed out, zeros. Okay, now we grab the package and place it on the scale. We weighed up at 9 ounces here. Little over half a pound. Now you'll need to go to a computer to input this information so we can ship it out. This is eBay, and Amazon looks very similar to this. These are the prices that you can ship out for. I'm going to be using the USPS for $4.74, and I'll be shipping it out with my Rollo thermal printer. These things are amazing. They ship out for almost nothing. The labels cost about 1 penny each. I'll have a link in the description below. Now that you have your label printed out, you want to make sure that the barcode is fully visible and has no creases on the package. Now we're left with one final thing to do, is to touch up on the edges here. You see how they're overlapping, and you want to close them up real good like that with some clear tape is fine. And go ahead and do the same for the other side. And that just about wraps up this product right here. It's all ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps the channel out. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. I'll do my best to get to you. But most importantly, make sure you are subscribed to the channel, because I will be dropping more videos how to save money being your own boss. Don't miss out.